Yeah, this is the green beans. I will use my salad. Already take the two sides off and just broke in the middle. That's how much I was using. And also I'll use this thicker mung beans noodles. And also this dry seaweed. And mix them together to make the salad. Yeah, already boiling my green beans on the hot water for 3 minutes. Make it cook well. Then already soak the cold water and already drain the water out. And put in my salad bowl here. And also already boiling my mung beans noodles. It's more broader. The hot water for 1 minute and drain the water and put it here. And also I have I just soaked my seaweed to cold water for 5 minutes and we put it here also. That's all the ingredients I have here. I like to mix them a little bit because make them more evenly. This salad I try to make a low oil, low salt, and low calorie too. So we like a healthy salad. I just make them evenly right now. When I'm done, I will be put all my spicy here. So first I will put 1/4 quarter teaspoon cooking oil here. And maybe another quarter teaspoon cooking oil here. Yep. And I try to put quarter teaspoon garlic powder. Yeah, garlic powder here, and quarter teaspoon ginger powder. Where do they go? I think it's almost quarter teaspoon also. And a quarter teaspoon hot cayenne peppers here. And a quarter teaspoon basil leaves. Yes, basil leaves. And a quarter teaspoon parsley. And I will put 2/4 teaspoon white vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon. Another one here. And the last though, put 1/32 pink salt. Yeah, that's what it is. I don't want to put so much salt there. Now we mix them. And also I will be drop some sesame oil. Yep, that's only oil I'm using. Sesame oil is pretty good for your health. And the last I will put some pickled yeah, last step I'll put some pickled. One I made it just garlic, ginger, and vinegar, and this is the yeah, that's what I made the pickle. So put some carrots here, pickle. Put my pickled carrots. Only use ginger, garlic, and vinegar. And I put my carrots here. This is 1 piece of basil. Then the fresh plants I grew in my kitchen. And also this one I put a 4 piece of anise lace flour I pickled before. It's already ready to use, so that's why I put it here also. I think it will be good match with this. Enjoy.